Hello, people. Oh, 1 second. I need to edit your channel. Edit videos. Show more. I don't know. I guess that. Hope for the best. Oh, so hello everyone. If you're watching the channel, I am trying to work on. I was planning to stream today and play some Monster Hunter World, because I'm getting close to master rank. But I've been trying to work on this Twitch overlay thing, and it's been taking like what 2 hours for me now. So I decided, well, I'm not gonna get to that tonight, so I'm just gonna stream me trying to work on this and maybe get some help as a result, or not, or yeah, try to explain. But basically, so if you don't know, this thing here, I realize I'm highlighting it, is an application called, I think, TwitchChatOverlay. Yeah. So what it is just, an overlay that you can use on your own screen. You could also use it as a widget in OBS like I have now. But you can show all the chat on your own. If you only have one monitor, it's really good to be able to view the chat without having to change out of games. Usually, some games don't work with it in full screen or something. I'm not sure, but yeah. But by default, it works great with Twitch chat. Let me save all these real quick. If I put cap chat, I think, yeah, it'll connect, and you can see here it's like, oh yeah, and then if I type something into the chat somewhere, type message, oop, that'll also be helpful later too. You see it appears, and for me, I think if it's, oh no, this is just Twitch chat. If it's since I have Restream, I was thinking I'd be able to view on both YouTube and Twitch comments here, but that has a more unique situation you have to set up. But anyways, so yeah, Twitch chat, you can see there, it appears fine. There's a Twitch pop out, which I don't want to get into. I haven't really used. I think it does the same thing essentially, but custom URL is that's how I can use for YouTube chat, which is what I was wanting to do. Oh shit, and I lost it. I lost it all. I could put my own chat, but I was trying to use actual examples. So I'm currently listening to Louis. What is Louis's last name? I forget. Louis from Hololive. Her birthday chat. That's what she's hosting at the moment. So, what was this? This was V equals, and then I think this was live chat. Let's hope that's right. Nope, that is not right. Oh, I lost it. Oh, damn it, heck. How do I find it? Twitch overlay chat YouTube. I don't think this is gonna be it. Oh, I should have copied the link somewhere. Let me try this. Live chat. Chat. Nope, not what I want. Oh, I don't know what I did wrong there entirely. Oh, I'm not watching. Okay, I'm watching her previous stream, not her current stream. Either way. Oh, maybe that's why I have this wrong. I copied the wrong thing. Okay, yeah. So now you should be able to see the chats. Let me minimize this. Put that so I can see what's going on again. Okay, so yeah. Here I have the chat loaded through this application. The only thing is it's clearly not transparent. If there's things behind it, but I would want to be able to see if I'm having this overlaying a game. So I've been trying to work on doing this, and the only way I can't really show, well, I could show here. Is this? I can put the URL of the chat, the live chat, and then the CSS. There. And I'm just getting this set properly so that I can see everything has been a pain in the butt. So let me see. I found one thing so far which works really well. Which let me. Okay, I fixed it back up. But let me share a different window, which will help show what oh, and I think about it, I may have tried to show the display and it didn't work. Probably not. Okay, I'll do that again. Properties. Or yeah, main display. Faded in. Okay, so I fixed the chat using this here. You can put the URL of the live chat, and then you have to use CSS to customize the rest. CSS lets you target each individual elements potentially, or multiple elements, and set their styles and certain settings through that. And yeah, that's what I've been working on, trying to target the correct ones, but it's been a little hard. I finally figured this part out here, that this selects almost all the elements that I want. Where really there's I had something else that selected every element and made it transparent, which is not quite what I wanted. But now my next plans is to try and target. There's like a top chat here that I want to fix. Yeah, I can remove this. This top chat, I want to make this dark because I prefer dark mode. I'm trying to figure out if there's a better option, because once I make this transparent, I think here. Yeah, I can't move that anymore. Or I can't even click this window anymore. Oh, I'm really working with the wrong things here. Okay. And I'm just using, this is not my chat, as you can tell. This is Louis' chat, and I'm just using it as an example, so I don't have nothing going on. But okay, let's see. Main display off. Oh, I gotta undo the damn click through, hide show border. Yes, there we go. Oh, and I was gonna add a window display. Window capture VS code. This one. Okay. This will not be easy to see no matter what. I'm trying to. You know what? I can actually feed that in and start filtering things and making it look better on the screen. Crop. From the right, let's do 200, 300. Yes, that works. And then from there, I will decrease this further. A lot further. Actually, you know what? At this point, I can't even see the window on my screen, so. Okay, that's almost. Okay, there we go. And that's probably fine enough. Yeah. Oh. Let me. I think her stream, actual stream, is now starting. So. Just gonna lower that. And I can probably. Yeah. So then, back to this crap. Let's see. I'm working on the CSS. That is open. This is all see-through, which is not quite what I want. Because I want to be able to. I can, at this point, I could probably work on getting the backgrounds a little more visible. And then work on these things. That's probably a good idea, but I've been kind of avoiding that. And I should say, you can also open the live chat in a browser, and that makes it easier to figure out, like, oh, okay, these styles here. If you have the inspector open, like, oh, this is the what the specifics style selector is applied to this, where it gets inherited from, potentially, things like that. It's really helpful, I think. I mean, I guess not just me. Everyone thinks it. That's why it exists. But what we're gonna focus on is, what did I remove? Oh yeah. So what I had here. Wait, what's going on with this? Oh, I see what's happening. I'm going left on my on my screen. The chat here is actually on the right side. So when I go left, I'm going to this window, the code window, but it looks way off on the stream. Yeah, this header renderer. If I go over it wherever it was, let me refresh this page just in case. This one. That's what I was trying to target, and turn the background white, but then the chat is currently black. And I was trying to turn it white since it'll have a black background, but that didn't work, so I have to look into that later. For now, I was trying to look into the text, and I probably should. Let me grab any one of these texts. Message, okay. ID message, message render. Interesting. That should be fairly easy to code in. Let's do a... Actually, I wonder if I can... this might be better. This is YouTube live chat text message renderer. Let's put color. No. Yeah, let's put color for now. Make it red. Just so it's visible. We're going to copy here. That did not work. Should be surprised. Okay. So it didn't work, and that's because if we go here, color. Oh, it does get directly, so the span changes the color directly. It looks like, oh god, I lost it. I shouldn't have scrolled down on the top. Okay, yeah. So you see here, this selector, ID message with class, YouTube live chat, whatever. It selects it immediately. If it inherited it from a parent, it would have, I think, inherits here, and then inherit would be in a parent, like, oh, whatever color I am, the child will have it. So let's just, instead of this, or rather, since it has that, since this is showing it already, let's add the ID. No change. Let me try red here. Huh. Did I do something wrong here? Text message renderer. I changed it here, and that works exactly how I want it to. Oh. I'm a doofus. I misspelled it here. Yay. That's an improvement. And it's an improvement because what I don't actually want is any fixed color. What I want is, let's put this to white. I think that might be a little better. At least while I have a dark background, so you can see it here. But if it's if I'm playing this over a game and it's a very bright background, I wouldn't be able to see it in the background either. So what I really want is, I think if I have it somewhere, oh, here. I think I want this, a text shadow, which is not quite what I want, I think, but I don't know the name of the actual property. Like here, this is what I want. Thank you, Stack Overflow, for this, because otherwise I'd be doomed. But they say it's a text shadow, which I don't know if it is, but that might be colored border. Using borders, no, that's a text, or that's a box around it, which is not quite what I want. Text decoration. This is changing. What are what is text decoration? Oh, perfect. This is Mozilla. Let me try text decoration. Underline. This is green wavy. Ooh, I haven't seen a wavy underline in very long time. uh, I don't think any of these are quite what I want. They're all lines. Solid, wavy, dashed, yeah. Man, what do you call it? Uh, text border HTML. See, this is not the kind of border I want. I really think it's just going to be shadow. So we're going to have to do this. Let's go with neon first and see how that looks overall. Okay. All right, so I made it red here. Let's do white with text shadow. I'm gonna have to look up the specifics on this, but let's just copy it like this for now. FF. Oh my god, I see now. So there's a bunch of shadows, I think, going on here. 20px. This is still white. 40 40px. FF00DE. Alright, so it slowly changes color. Let's actually take a look at how this one works now. Oop. I don't see it. Let me view the demo. This is text. Okay. 8 levels of shading. What if I don't want 8 levels? Oh, I'm starting to see the pink glow behind it. It's not visible on black, weirdly enough, but it's very visible on white. There's like a very pink shade. And I think it's only looking like how it is through because of the pixel count that they're dictating here. Which if I let me just keep doing this. 40. Oh, I skipped 30px somewhere. Okay, 10, 20, 30. I should just copy this. 30px, 40px. That's when the color starts to change. After 40 is 70. And the color is FF00DE. $100px, same 00DE. And then I think this is the next one's the last one. E at 150. Oops. Double oops. Oh god. There we go. I don't know if I can like put spaces between commas in CSS. Or if it has to be on one line. And I'm pretty sure I could. Probably. Maybe not. Okay, now you can see a huge neon glow on the text. It looks awful in white. At least white on white. But white on black actually looks really nice. Even if it's, clearly Um, what, like here you can see, or no, on this happy birthday one, you can see the little mark, the where it ends before the next chat kind of thing. The neon glow itself looks really cool. Um, Unfortunately, it's still not enough. Oh god. I wish I had Photoshop and then I could just take the name itself. Text decoration. I'm pretty sure, or I already looked at this here. Styling text. Maybe this will be it. And one thing I could do is make this text bigger, but I don't see a reason to do that. I think even if I showed it, like, I had it on my monitor as I'm playing a game, I think it would look fine. So it's just a issue of getting the border around it so that it looks totally fine. Like, you know what? For simplicity's sake, I don't know why I'm doing it like this. There was one example I saw. Was it this CSS borders? Yeah, this blue left border. Border style. No. Let me see CSS text. Transfer decoration. Underline, dotted, thickness. Transformation. Oh. I didn't know you could use CSS to make it uppercase or not. They're showing neon glows, but this is closer to what I want. Actually, I have an idea. Text shadow. Let me try well, let's copy the right idea of 2px. Actually, let's try. No, let's stick with 2px for now. Black. Okay, so I can see a shadow there. Let me try negative 2px. I'm assuming this is the x-axis. 2px black. Ooh, that is not looking good. But maybe negative 2px, negative 2px, black. Lastly, 2px, negative 2px, black. All right, so you can't see it. Let me try adding a color source, and that might help. I don't need it to be full screen. Let's choose the width of 400. Nope, not enough. 600. 700. Yeah. Right. Good enough. That's fine. Oh, but gotta lower this behind the Twitch chat. Oh, Shazbot. It's not showing. So it's transparent. It's literally transparent on my monitor. I can show that instead. Okay, hide the color source. Show the main display. Hide just about everything else. Hopefully I don't have anything I don't want to be shown. Oh, but yeah, so here you can see now the chat as I'm displaying it directly, displaying the window on the left side, and then how I see it on the monitor. If I have it over darkness here, looks fine. If I have it over brightness, not fine, but it's better than nothing, because otherwise it'd be white on white, white text on a white background. So yeah, I just have to figure out how to improve this, because this looks like crap. But it's interesting, at least I think. And then after that, I can work on this and this. I don't know if I can sign in. That'll be interesting to figure out. Let me see what happens if I click it. Oh, it literally asked me to sign in. Uh-oh. And once I do, I get a little screwed. Okay, fixed it. Normally I wouldn't, display the window like this. You can if you want to, but there really isn't any need for me to, because there are other widgets and stuff that do a better job of that. Like I believe, wait, did I ever display that? I feel like I might have missed it. Let me show it again. Yeah, I think I totally missed it earlier. Okay. So, as I was saying earlier, oh shit. Okay, show that. Show this. Show that. I think that's everything. If you can see here on the left side, or sorry, on the right side, this is how the Twitch overlay looks for me at the moment. It is displaying over everything because the background is transparent, but the text would be completely white and not, it wouldn't have the shadow. The shadow doesn't look good, but it's better on white when it's white text over a white background, and it's basically non-existent on a black background, a darker background. So if I was playing this over a game, it'd actually be really helpful. But now, yeah, I have to figure out how to get the damn proper border over it. Okay. Back to this. Oh, I just realized I can totally move this window so it's easier for me to see, but it doesn't change how it looks on the screen. Text shadow is not what I want. I think that's just a matter of fact. Inline? No, I don't. Let me try, just for now, background, beige is a gaudy enough color. Okay, that helps. Let's put, what colors do I have? Smoke, I think. Oh, cancel that. No, smoke is not an actual color. Oh god. Shadow 00 red. Just so I can have that there. Background dark. Let's go with dark blue. I'm still listening to the Louis birthday call-ins now, and Crony's on, and just fantastic stuff. Okay. A blue background. Worst case, it looks ugly, but it's readable. I do have to figure out what to do with the people's names, but right now, if I can figure out how to do a proper full, not a shadow, but styling on the background, then I would be really good, in good shape. HTML styling, text border, fonts border. Maybe that's what I want. There is a experimental CSS property called text stroke. A little ugly, but that does work. I've never really messed with this WebKit stuff. I return to post. Wait a second. Text shadow does work. I just shouldn't have done 2 pixels. Yeah. Oh, don't tell me that. Okay. So they do -1. Let's just do 1, 0. Actually, let's start with -1. -1, 0, 0, -1, 0, and 1. Let us put this over. All right, let's remove the background. Okay. Hard to read on white background, but a vast improvements over the 2 pixel one. And potentially I could maybe even add more over the 2 pixels. Oh, I'm not showing this on the screen. Okay. This one goes over everything, this display. Okay, here we go. So you can see here, white text, dark background, white text with the shadows over a white background. It's readable, not great, but it is readable for the most part. I think emojis, those are probably fine as is. But I could make improvements on it somehow. But this did help. Blur, text shadow. What is this saying? Outlines. That's the, oh my god, that's what I've been looking for this whole time. The word. Not text stroke. Oh, that's pretty handy. I'll leave that. But I was trying to look for HTML, CSS, text, outline. Outline effect to text. Okay, so oh look, I asked this question earlier, and I have my answer. You can put it on multi-lines. Anyways, run code snippet. That is an improvement. Oh, and it is 1 pixel all around. Oh, that's why mine does not look great compared. I might be able to do that. Let's take a look at this text stroke property. Text stroke is an experimental property that provides text architecture options similar to those found in Adobe Illustrator or other vector drawing applications. It is not currently included in any W3C or what's a WG specification. I don't know what that stuff means. As of 2013, it is only implemented behind a WebKit vendor prefix. Okay. So this stuff is supported in the latest Firefox. I don't know how this thing appears. Literally. I should have the display now. You know, like I assume it's built off some sort of Chrome thing, but who knows? So let's try it. Let's see if we can get this to appear. So text stroke is a property directly. Text stroke 2px red. It is not working. Oh, maybe because I forgot a semicolon. No. Oh. Okay. Ooh, I don't know about all that. All right. Yeah. Long code for just the border. See, I could put this. This would work as I would want it, I suppose, but God, that's fucking ugly. I can copy paste it. Let's try this. Okay. Looks fine here. Ooh. It looks really good here. It is. Let me show that. Okay. Dark on dark, looks fine. As we mentioned before, this is a dark background. And then we put it here. Bada bomb. Totally legible. It looks a little weird, but like nowhere near as bad as before, and it honestly looks like it's kind of built in. I like it. It's a little bit. It's a massive improvement over just putting a background over it. The only thing that sucks about it is how big the box is, I suppose. Awesome. I like it. So let's do something else real quick. So we also need. Let me inspect this person. Chat badges. Do I need anything? They do have like images and stuff, but I think that's fine. You can see that as is. So what I just need is something over this span. Whoops. Okay. So let's see. Author name dot, and then what is the thing? YT live chat author chip. I think it was this one here. No, it was this one. Author chip. Okay. Or let's put background beige. Okay. So as you can see, it's a little ugly, but it's, yeah, that's the, I'm targeting the text I want now. So I think for now, oh man, I really don't want to do the same exact thing. Let me put white. No, white would be a little too much, and I wouldn't be able to see the gray. That's my concern here right now. Let me just put black then. Uh-oh, what happened? Background black? Yeah, that's what I wanted. Author dash name dot. Looks like it's. I'm not doing this right. What's going on? Let me just go to the top. There we go. This person. Live chat author dash chip. Yeah. The background just looks not great. Let me put this over a. Yeah, I can't see the gray ones for some reason. Look, can I even see? Yeah, the green ones are there, but they're not really legible because it's on a black background, and that the lines are so thin. So that's not good. Ooh, that super chat points something out to me. Inspect. Is there a way to tell if it's within a super chat or not? Because I just noticed so I'm only targeting spans of that, and that fits too, but since it's under the super chat, I really don't need it to. Let me see. So if I'm comparing these two here. Live chat membership item renderer. Oh, this is okay. I just realized. So it's not a super chat. It's an item render. It's a membership. So I could potentially like say, hey, if you're under this thing, just ignore it. But I don't know how to say for sure. For now, let me copy this. Oh, I just realized that. I think that's Kobo I'm listening to now. It sounds like her, I think. Back to this. We are under YT live chat membership item render, and then put a dash. Dash author dash name dot stuff. Live chat author chip. Let me try. I don't know what's going to happen if I do this div. Huh. Hmm. Oh, you know what? What I could do is what was the selector? If it's select all p elements where the parent is a div element. Okay. Where if this is y2, I'm just going to copy it. Dot. Because I think here, live chat author chip. Oh. No, wait. Author chip. Damn it, that's not what I want either then. Oh, yes. Here, so what I do need, this needs to be a class. Wait, am I thinking this wrong? Item renderer. Yeah, that needs to be the class. Did I? Yeah, I totally copied the wrong thing or messed something up here. Okay, item renderer, background, transparent, please. Unfortunately, I cannot test that until a membership chat comes back up. So maybe one will at some point. But theoretically, what's happening here is I'm saying, okay, for every author name, it's got to be black unless it fits this. And this is more, I think, more specific than that. Plus, it's afterwards. So it's saying if it fits this, make the background transparent again. Oh, did I just miss a... Let me try this again. There it is. Oh, it didn't work. It was close. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's why. I messed it up. Okay. Okay. Let's hope for another membership at some point. Okay. Back to this. Let me copy all this since I made progress. And we're going to save this. Hide that because that's the long one. Oh. Ah, that looked good. Cancel. See? Let's put this. All the names have a background, and this one that previously had a background does not anymore. So that worked as I planned. Only question now is, does Super Chat work with that? And I don't know. Because the Super Chat might be under a different... it might not be a membership item renderer. I assume it's not. Membership item seems very specific to memberships. But so the question is here. All right, let me inspect this. This author name, where is it getting its color? YT live chat secondary text color. Is there a way for me to look at this variable? That's not what I want to change. I want to go to that. Dash dash secondary text color. I think that's where it is here. So there is some. Oh, it disappeared. Shazbot. Okay. Back to this thing. Okay, so I said a background is black, but for some reason it didn't. Because I do want it dark, because when it comes to like this, dark would be better. But let me do this. Background black. See, it's not doing anything bad here. It's only on my screen. Black looks really bad. Because if I put this black, green I can see here. I can't see any of the gray ones. And that should not be the case. I should be able to see the gray ones as well. Let me try. Uh-oh. Color white. I think that's going to turn. Huh? What are you doing to me? Oh. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Uh-oh, what is... Let's close that. Author name, live chat, author chip. Is there another span? That is curious. Names are still green. Even though they should have been targeted by that color, you know, like author name, live chat, author chip. We changed the color. Oh, the color gets overridden? But why? Let me refresh this. My throat has been in absolute shambles for the past few days. Okay. No. Chatbot. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so if I select this one, I think this is, yeah, simulation K. Color is the gray that we were expecting, right? Oh, there must be a second CSS somewhere that's making this, because it completely overrides it, but I don't see a reason for the override. So, oh, I'm an idiot. Author name member. Okay. Boom. We have the reason. And I don't want to overwrite that. That's a good situation. So really the only thing I need to do is let's do this. I need to remove that one. This one, delete. Okay, text is white. Names are in white. They both have backgrounds. Yes. This is good. Oh, it's an improvement. I still wish the gray was there, but I don't know why that disappeared. Let me copy all this. Yes, that's right. Okay. Okay, gray is good. Green looks not great on a black background, or on like it looks a little too merged, so I can't read any of the greens. I can read the whites fine, which is funny, but potentially I could I could overwrite it even further and say, hey, any like greens, make it bright green, make a neon green, make it really annoying. But I think I'd rather handle this somewhere else rather than the same text. I should keep it there if I'm going to target it at all, because that is pretty annoying. What happens if oh, it's undone. Actually, let me take a look. I feel like an idiot now. Author name. Let's just put member there. It's a member. It's a class member. And really, this should go near the end. Nope. Nope. What are you doing? What am I? Author name. Background transparent. But it's not working here. Oh, remember? That's funny. These are not targeted at all. Let me target this. Inspect author name, paid message render. Ah, it's a different class. if another member thing comes up, I'll have to check it out then. Till then, let's see. What is going on with this? Because I'm saying, oh, I have two of them for some reason. Author name, member. Well, that class thing should still target it. I do not understand. Right? Like this. Let me copy it all again. Delete, paste. Remove that. Okay, so this author name should still target these member names, right? Like there's no reason, and it does. And yeah, that I remember that. The reason for that it's because if I inspect here is because it gets targeted by a more specific one. But that's the one I'm trying to use here. Author name, member, YouTube chat, YouTube live chats, authorship. Wait, did I do something wrong? I feel like I did. Because it's not like, or this is what I wanted fixed, right? There was a background on this. Oh, I am in shambles. I think I'm gonna have to. So somebody has a membership, or not a member, a 3D today, and that'll have a lot of members joining, I assume. And if that's the case, that'll be good for, you know, taking a look and saying, hey, look, there's a member here. Their name is in colors, which is not what I'm trying to get happen. Oh, it is not tonight. So I just have to wait and see. All right, that's fine. Back to looking at this. OBS. So I don't want to turn it white. That's the only thing. I do want the, and even with the green, I don't want that either. So I feel like I should remove it here. I do like, come on, don't do that. Uh-oh, let me see. I keep running over my darn headphone cable with my chair, which is super annoying. And there's not a perfect way of dealing with that. Iris. Oh, that is Iris. Like, it didn't sound like her for a second to me. Okay. Back to this. Inspect that one. Secondary text color. And that is the color I want. The only issue is that I think because it's in the alpha is making it not, it's taking in the black for some reason. Yeah, I just noticed that, like, I can't even see it here, which is not what I want. Which I do like the gray color. Should I just what? Oh, I can see the color change here. How do you... Actually, I feel like an idiot. You know what? Calc. We're doing something very simple here. 255 times 0.7. Just 178.5. Let's round that up to 179. For color, RGBA, RGB actually. 179, 179, 179. Save. Boom. Now it's in gray. And now it's legible over black, which is good. Green is still a little, but let's see gray. Gray on white. It's tough to read, not gonna lie. But it's not terrible. This is on white. I part of me wants to leave it like that. Because I think the only other thing to do is put a white background over the green names, the member names, and then a black background over the subscriber names, I suppose, probably. Okay. This is a member. Member. Let's not make it transparent. Let's make it black. Okay, yeah, no, that will not work. What I could do, which might work, is RGBA. take a page from that damn thing. 0.1. What do they have here? Did I change the color? What's going on? Inspect. 255, yeah, okay. All right, so let's see. I did it over background. Okay, let's put higher. Let's put 50%. We'll take it from there. Oh, that is interesting. When I put it over black, I can not see the green that well. When I put it over white, I can totally see the green. Oh, that is very interesting. And let me put it back at 0.1. Let's put it at 0.3. 30%. Ooh, still tough to read. Why does this person have an X on their name? That might be a... I'm curious. I've never... Oh, that's probably in their name. I think about it. Maybe you can put emotes in your name? I'm curious. But so when I put it over white, looks fine. When I put it over black, looks awful. Let me try the opposite. 7. Ah, visible. Put it over white. Still looks good. Oh, that still looks good. I feel like I should really put a much brighter color. 8. That, or what I should do. No, this is actually, yeah. Let's take a look at that. Offset, border, don't care. Background color. Transparent. Oh, I like the way it looks here on the window, but that's because of Firefox. Let me do, ooh, maybe I can do, it says color picker. Wait, is it actually picking the right color? It is. 18. 18, 18, 18. Ooh. Okay. So it's definitely not good on members still. What is this targeting again? Inspect member. Author name member. Let me see. Author name. Oh. Shazbots. What I might have to do, I assume what I actually have to do is, okay, so this is, what am I targeting here? So let me double check the selectors here. I think if I put a space that is a descendant, select all name 2 that's a descendant of an element with name 1. All P's that are inside div elements. Okay, so what I should do is, come on, don't do that to me. Author chip. Is there a way to, how do I go back up this thing? I know there's a way. No, wait, maybe this? No, I don't think that's it. I'm gonna expand this, which is might, like, yeah. Where is it? Computed changes compatibility? No. Is it only in Chrome? Is under live chat and renderer. Okay, here we go. Inspect that one. Live chat text message renderer. So what I want to do is put this only if it's under a live chat text message renderer. Okay, I think that's working as I want it now. I totally forgot if it is, but so if I put this over here, gray can be improved, but black looks good. And then if it's green, I feel like I want to do this, but this one is so like, let me try to, I want to take the time to read it. Let me copy all this. Let's piece it out now. Okay. So we can ignore root because I honestly I might have to remove that. No, I could make use of this. But I was just using this to put some variables in, which I'll make use of later. Live chat renderer, that makes this part of the background transparent. This says any IDs with the name, with the author name, and has the class author chip, which is really just the name. Has a color of a gray. That's what I'm going to change this to. Author text RGB 179, 179, 179. And then I can turn this into var author text. And this should tell me what color it is. Maybe it doesn't. I guess not. Okay. This is, yeah, all white, so that's fine. This one, let me see. Author background is what I want to call it. Author BG lights, we'll call it. For GBA, let's just copy this. Var author BG lights. This one, we can delete. This was really just for me. So when you, I can just show it. Save. So I was just turning this into beige. And right now it's on beige, but when I edit this, it'll change that. Okay, so viewing this, let's see. Live chat render, turn it transparent, yes. Author name. Turn it into a dark color. Or a light gray, really. And then if it's under a text message renderer, then the author name should have a dark background. And that's what allows it to ignore these, rather than targeting everything and then trying to change it afterwards. I should just change it all now. Yeah. It looks good. I'm curious if I could change this into something else, like a bunch of variables, but I really don't want to have to change every single one. So let me copy this first. If it works. Okay, put this over white. Everything looks good. I do want to change these somehow. That's what I need to figure out. Gray looks fine, so really I should put a dark one. If I'm looking at this right, let's do author EG dark RGBA, same thing. And this will be, I don't know, 0.2, 0.2. And then that way, is that, sounds like Ina now. Yes, it is Ina. Oh, I should drink some water. Excuse me. Okay. So inspect this one. This one does not have member, and really it has no other change. The fact that it's lacking member is actually really annoying. Or lacking like non-member, non-secret, because the only one that has member is this. So yeah, that's really the only difference. Can I say like chat badges? There are no chat badges. So I think the only thing I can do is oh, I accidentally moved it to the wrong window here. Copy this, place it before, remove member, and then change this to dark. So let's try this. Okay. So now on a dark background, green has a light color. Oh. Hmm. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put dark here. 2, 3, 4. Oh no. Oh, dark does have but I don't need it on a black background. It's totally legible there. So the only thing I can think of is turn these to 0, but that kind of doesn't make sense to me. But I feel like that's really what I do have to do, because, ooh, it matches way too well with the gray. Yeah, you know what? Let's raise this up a little bit. Actually, you know what? Cancel this real quick. Inspect. Oh no. Sorry, color picker. Inspect. Oh, I don't know what the color is going to be. Let me just open Paint. Paint.net, open up, and then ask me to update you. What was it? 18, 18, 18? 18, 18, 18. 24. 24. 24. 24. All right, on a light background, still totally not visible. And actually, I just realized I could totally put it on the window and see myself how visible it is. Okay, now on a white background, looks awful, just awful. Let me put this back at, let me put it really high at 7. All right, now it's got a dark background. And if it's on dark, it's totally not visible. This might have been what I was looking for. Yeah. This is working. Ooh. Improvements, kind of. It's not pretty. I kind of would have preferred just the gray. 9.5. 9.5. Really, I'd rather just take off the background, dark background. Like, I'll just deal with it. Grays can. It's not the worst, and I could always change the color myself to something, darker. Let me see. Hmm. Let me see. What is up with this? Maybe I can just put, like, remove the transparency entirely. Let me put 1 here. Did I do the wrong one? Dark. Oh, you know what? I removed it. I feel like an idiot. All right, so now I just feel like I it needs more padding, really. Can I add padding to it? Is padding really what I want here? Because I want the padding. What is border radius? Padding 5px. See, I don't want padding on the text itself. And that's what's happening here. Let me try margin instead. Margin. Still not what I want, I think. Because it's changing the text itself, which border. Ooh, border helps. What is this, black? Top color. Oh no, this is top. This is not quite it. Change this, please. Come on. Border top color. It's white. Nothing is changing here. Nothing. So I legitimately do not know what this is doing. This border is not working like I intended. I think I'll have to make do with this because I mean it's not bad. Greens are appearing as I intended. Part of me wishes I could do it better. I mean, I'm beginning to think I should just put it on a completely opaque white background, but I mean, green is visible on this dark. Why could I not see it? Is the issue here 179, 179, 179? One. Let me change these names. That's what's confused me a little bit. EG member. I'll just take off dark. Member. Okay, so members have the light background. But I feel like they don't really need it. Because, I mean, on the chat here, I can view it fine. The only issue... And now it's on the dark background, which I don't need it on the dark background. What did I do wrong? Oh, that's what's wrong. Okay. 0.9. Zero. See, it looks good here. It looks fine here. And then on here, oh, I see. The text is literally different. I feel like an idiot. Okay. Okay. Inspect. Remember, font weight. Let me try that. Font weight. That might be the damn key I've been looking towards for all this. Author name, and that's put on author name YT live chats author chat. Okay. 2, 3, 4 font weight 500. I don't know why it's lost in the other areas. Oh, green. Two, three, 4. So it's not working there at all. Let me increase the size. No, it's not working. What's going on? Let me close this real quick. Just because I can. Okay, that should open it back in its defaults. Should. Huh, for some reason, it isn't loaded up back by default. Okay. Question here is, why is the font weight not working? So if you look here, let me try a bunch. 1500. No, that does not increase it at all. 25. No change. So yeah, font weight is not working. If we look here, give me 2 text. Inspect here. This person? Yep. So everyone's names looks a little bolded, not really bolded, but just a little bit. And you can see that this author name, YT live chat author chip, has font weight. I'm going to reset. But this font weight doesn't get applied. Let me Mozilla font weight. Normal, bold, CSS property. The weight's available dependent on the font family that is currently set. Oh. Font weight. Okay, so maybe 900 or 1500 was too much. Let's try oh, I don't know. Let's put it on 900. Which was the biggest. Okay, yeah, I can see it's definitely gotten bigger. Let's put 600 and try that. All right. Let's remove it. I'm turning that off. It's looking okay. Let me show my screen. So as you can see here, on white, the gray is a little hard to read, but it's not that bad overall. Then on black, gray is really easy to see, but green is just in an awful spot. It's actually pretty hard to read. I might leave it as it is because I can't really think of any situations where it's going to be like this dark, really. Like, let me put it over here. I'm going to close the inspector. I look at it, compare it here. The thing is, like, it's definitely different. And I feel like it's the font weights. Whoops, come on. What are you doing? What? Did something crash? I guess so. Restore. Okay. Inspect again. So I can see that the font weight is working, but it might be that the font, I don't have the same font family, which is a little hard to tell, but I'm not, that knowledgeable on it. Okay. Font weight's there, box sizing. And the font weight isn't really noticeable unless I do it unless it's in a English character. The Japanese really doesn't change. Okay, font size, no change there. Let me try that. Okay, I have a text. Live chat. That should already be there, so I really shouldn't have to override it. But might as well try it. Live chat text message renderer 2.4 font size. Let's do 36px. Okay, see, now I can totally read it. Oh, and wow, that looks damn good. The shadow. Not 12, 13. That was what they had. Yeah. So that looks right to me. This is color, which I don't really care about. Scroll bar width. Hmm. 4 font. Weight 500. No change. Could just increase it and see what that does. Just a hair. Let's try 14px. Oh, that's totally readable. Except the green. Green is still, oh, it's better. But I kind of preferred it at 13. I'm just gonna, you know what? I'm just gonna remove this. Remove the font weight because I don't think it's needed. I don't even know. I'm gonna leave the background stuff as is because it's already at 0, but I feel like I could totally just remove it and try and make do with it first. Excuse me. But yeah, we're in a good spot here. Oh, this is a good situation. Now, we have, there's no way I'm getting into any video games tonight. Maybe Valkyrie Chronicle, because that's what I was playing before, but oh shit, I just realized I'm streaming the wrong window. Twitch chat. I shouldn't be streaming that window at all. I guess because since Firefox closed the window I was originally on, it started streaming on the other Firefox, which I did not want. Oh. Okay. Back to this. Where is this item? Am I on the wrong thing? What are we doing? What's going on? What? It's gonna crash again, isn't it? Oh no. All right, let's bookmark everything. So I'm gonna need this all later. This one's already bookmarked. Especially this one, because that was really useful. This one might have been the memory hog, but I don't know. There we go. Inspect. Okay. Header renderer. What is this color part? Nothing. Action buttons. I don't think that's what I want. Actually, I don't even know what this, there's nothing here in this div. It might be there for when you do something with it later, but like if you edit something, it then places it in there. But otherwise, yeah, nothing there. Oh, and I just realized this. Whoops. VS Code. I'm putting it up here, out of the way. And this YouTube button color doesn't change, so only thing we care about is this primary content. And then there's two things here. Title, which has nothing. View selector. Oh. Oh, it's Callie. I thought she said Marine. Where'd it go? Oh, drop down menu. Okay. Man, we're getting just deep down just to have this damn top chat button. See, this is what I want, but I don't want to change just this. I don't think. So like if I have it selected here, if I change this color, it becomes, I don't know, gray, something like that. Where does it get it? Color. I think it overrides it from here. Chat header renderer. Chat header is not set. No, it does not get it from here. Color. We're going to filter it out. Oh, paper menu button. Yep, that's where it gets it. That gray. Paper menu. Drop down menu. Not entirely sure why it's there, but okay. The important thing is this. Why drop down menu style target label text? If I remember correctly, it's this. The things in the brackets is just a, what did they call it? Attribute selector. So because it looks for this attribute style target, and then equals label text, yeah. Which is interesting, I think. But I'm wondering if I should just copy that. Well, let's first, or let me actually, I think about it. I need to copy all this again, paste it all in again, save it just in case. Yeah. 2020, 2020. Okay, so those are the same colors. 20, 32. Okay, that makes sense, I guess. Let's add that as a color. Header -bg. color. GB 30, 30, 30. Well, what are we looking for? Oh, what I was looking for is inspect this. Primary content, background color, transparent. That's not what I expected. Oh, header. Here we go. Background color. Ah, here we go. Background color. So I think I can just really copy this. YT live chat header renderer background color var dash YT live chat header background color. So even though I don't have this written out, it should be a part of the thing. Yeah? No? Background color. Does that require more? Oh, you know what? I'm an idiot. The reason it's like this is because the background color is by the default. How do I get to it? Let me just change this to better BG color. Yeah, I have that. Jojo. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll change this to header dash BG color. Boom. Now that's the color I'm going for. This one, this bar is not quite there yet. So let's try and figure out ticker. Live chat. Okay. This should be pretty easy, actually. In fact, I can add it in. Comma. Live chat ticker renderer. Okay, now they match. The background color got lost somehow. Uh-oh. Why is it not see-through anymore? Live chat renderer. Oh, is it because of this? Huh. So I accidentally copied in a second close bracket, and that undid for some reason. Let's change this to RGBA. And for now, we'll put 1.0. Because I might change this to be not opaque, a little see-through later. Okay. Now, next part. Am I looking at the right thing here? I think I am, but the color's not right. Live chat message renderer. Right? Like that's what's there. But the color's not changing. Let me try red. Red. Yeah, it's not changing. Whoa. Oh. Okay, change that color. I don't really care about that color. Input panel. Background. Okay, here we go. And that gives me live chat message input renderer. Yeah. 3 things, or I was able to put 3 of these into one thing. That saves so much space. Which is awesome. Now I have to figure out how to make this. I mean, this part I don't really care so much about. Really what I wish there was a way to, because I figured out how this becomes dark. It's this HTML thing. Or if I delete this, then I'm good. But I can't insert HTML because it's CSS. And unless there's a way to do it purely in CSS that I'm not aware of, I have to like target each individual thing that I want. This chat's ending, so I'm gonna have to change Minecraft. Who should I listen to? Let's go with Mel. Oh, whoops, I don't need to copy the whole URL, just this part. Yep, it's working. Okay. This chat stuff goes away, so I don't really care about it. The people's names, that looks fine. All looks good. Just this damn chat, which I don't want to sign in here. I could, theoretically. I just don't know if it's worth it. Or like, what would I have to change once I've done that? This I'm okay with, because, I mean, actually, now I think about it, top chat, let me, if I make it see through, yeah, I can't even click this stuff, so, maybe what I should do is just not render it. because I wouldn't be able to chat if it's as an overlay. I'd have to have it not click through. Yeah, I feel like I don't want to render this at all. Header renderer, no, not what I want. Let me see what happens if I just hide the damn thing. Chat messages, contents, ticker, toast container, let's chat, input panel, this one. Display, none. Oh, that looks way cleaner. Live, no, let's just copy this. Display, none. Boom. Oh, look at that. I don't, if I want to chat, I'll use whatever other system I have, but otherwise this looks way better. It has way more room. I can see more chat if I need to. What else? And I mean, once it's clicked through, I can't even change this, so I don't know if it's really worth it to work on this. I feel like it is, just to get that last bit. The issue here is both of these are dark. Let me see if I change this to red. Yeah, that changes to red too. Okay, so I can use one thing to get both. That's good to know. Okay. Oh, I can remove this. I should remove it. If that's going to be head background color. This is going to be 222 label dash icon dot yt drop down menu. I'm just taking it straight from their stuff. 234 color white. Actually, let me double check. Yep, that is white. Okay. And then not only that, but .y2 drop down menu with the attributes of style target equals label dash text. Let's see. So this should turn white. Yeah, that's fantastic. I don't think it's really worth it to get those, but it could be. Nah, I really never look at it. It's just a weird, kind of a jarring thing to change it and go like, oh, it's dark. But I mean, otherwise, it's totally black and see-through. Let me open up this, I guess. That is pretty much what I want. Only thing to test now is header background color. We'll go with 0.7 and see. Oh, I really like that actually. Here it looks totally solid. Here it looks like it's not. Unfortunately, I kind of wish the text would go behind it, but actually this is probably better. I'm a little curious. I don't see any super chats. Maybe this game's not monetized. No, it looks like it is. I don't know. I'll take it. So let me delete, or let me first copy. We'll remove and copy, and then we'll figure out what's going on here. Okay. Here, I'm gonna make this bigger. Focus on it. Okay, so root, first color, don't need, that was just a test. Author text, I feel like I should change this, because that's not very clear. 1, 2. Yeah, let's rename symbol. Author name. Yep. Author BG member. I was using that, but it's not really being used now, but we'll have it there just in case I want to go back to it. Header BG color. Yes, that one's definitely good. Okay. Live chat and renderer. Honestly, I want to move these up since they're all generic technically. Like they're not based on any ID, class, anything like that. Oh, I feel like I just might have made a mistake though. Shit. All right. Did I save this? Okay. Let's copy this. Actually, let's not copy. Let's take this. Because if I reorder things, then the cascading style might, like, I might have moved something above where I don't want it to be. Ideally, I wouldn't do that in the first place, but, you know. Okay, I didn't save it. That's good. Okay. I forgot about this sliding thing, but it would be kind of difficult to get that to properly show. And really, once I see through it, it's not going to be possible. Huh. Wait, what just happened? Why does it make it disappear? I don't know. Okay. So far, I don't see any issues. Everyone looks green and gray. The only thing might have been with the super chats, but I can't see it. So let's see. Oh, I think no. It was probably these backgrounds. Okay, live chat renderer. Can I make good comments in CSS? CSS comments. I misspelled comments, but who's watching? Okay, single line. I don't know why they say single line, but it's using the damn /star. That's not single line at all. Okay. Part of me wants to. I don't know if I should have it after every line or what, but let me make sure I remember. Chat-renderer. Nope, actually. YT live chat renderer. Again. Okay, that's the actual background. Maybe I don't need comments. Just in case. Actual, I can always remove it. Or not actual chat. Chat main window. Okay, so these are not. These should move out, I think. Header and super chat sections. What I want to say like personal chat, but that's not quite right. Your message. Put message section. Okay. Okay. Oops. Specificity. That is, I don't know why that's so hard to say. Selector types. Specificity is a weight that applies given declaration. Each selector type. Specificity only applies when the same element is targeted by multiple declarations. Directly targeted elements will always take precedence over rules. Wait, so then how does that determine? I'm confused. Oh well, it is not even what I'm trying to look for. Wrong thing. Okay. So in the live chat text message renderer. Oh, that's cool. I didn't realize I could highlight over this and it would show, oh, this is exactly what you're looking for. Like, I can't move the mouse, but if you look in the box above it, it's saying, oh, this, if you're looking for a tag with WT or YT live chat text message renderer, and then with any descendants within that tag, has to be this out of any element with the ID, author name, and class. What live chat chip author, whatever. But yeah, that's correct. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Part of me wishes I could figure that out better, but really that's kind of that is what I want, because when I do message input renderer, that's right. Live chat renderer, transparent. Yeah, that's right as well. The only one that's kind of weird was, yeah, with these, if I was going to put some sort of background, it would kind of conflict with the ticker renderer, which is not what I wanted it to do. I'm surprised Mel's not getting any super chats. Let me just change. I don't even need to change the whole thing. Just need to change or I don't need to change both of them. I did want to change one. I don't know who would get super chats right now. Roja's doing a super chat reading. Getting members. That might help actually. That does mean though I need to, because let me change it here. Yeah, see? This I might need to fix. That's a little ugly to me, but what are you gonna do? Let me see. Come on, go. Oh, I can't go any. No. It's extending past on here, but not on this window. Let me, you know what? Let me look at it. It's got this one. Is it this? No, I don't think it was that. Left arrow container, right arrow container. Yes, it was these containers. Opacity. I don't think that was it. It was not these icons though. It was the background of it. Damn it. Oh well. I thought that was interesting. And it's only only if I can get a bunch of super chats and the window small enough to it that I can see it. What are we looking for? Shit. These are fine. Maybe no. I'm surprised I'm not seeing any super chats or any long super chats. I mean, I guess it's just normal games instead of any big things, but still. Renee? No. Anya? No. Okay. Well, this works as is. Onpon no Sagi. And it's really only if I decide to enable these at some point to figure out what's going on there. But author name. This is for. That's right. This was for authors because their tag or their names were opaque, or not opaque. They were partially transparent, which made it basically impossible to see in most lights. Which, let me put that. I was working on comments. Now I remember. Non-member author names. this is add. Actually, how do I think about it? Yeah, this should be white. Let me. I just want to double check and make sure this is not some like, hey, primary text color, static brand white. That's interesting. I don't know. Please go to it. I can open the color picker, but I don't know what it is. Oh, okay. Primary text color. Primary text color. Tube 5 chat. Show me where it comes from. Here. No, not. This one? Okay, so it is. God damn it. So it is just white. This damn thing. So when I highlight over this, it's like, yeah, this variable is equal to this other variable. And then when I go to that variable, it's like, oh yeah, that was just white. Thanks for nothing. Okay. So I'm fine with this white. The text shadow is good. After that is this, which is header text. Okay. And then lastly, it's these two, but I don't really care. Let's, add shadow to add outline to chat messages. And I was contemplating putting this on I mean, really, I could have two of these. No. Yeah, I could have. Oh, no, I feel like an idiot now. I could totally have like a drop shadow of both on the names and the chat and just have it separate. And then separate the color. But I guess I didn't feel like doing that. Either way, let's take a look at this. Okay, so let me look up real quick text shadow. I can actually move this back to here, was it? I don't need this as wide as it is. Or as tall as it is. Because now I'm just going to calculate, like, okay, what's actually going on here? Mozilla text dash shadow. Wait, what's going on here? Okay, so yeah, what is offset on X, offset on Y, a blur radius, and then the color. So this is color, offset X, offset Y, offset X, blur radius. Oh, that's why it's so damn blurry. That's interesting that it can tell. Wait. Okay, so this is color first. Two of them start. I saw two that started with color first. Yeah. Offset X, offset Y. Oh, I see. It's saying offset to the left or to the right 1 pixel. Don't offset any Y by any Y, and then blur by 10 pixels. I guess, I don't know what blur by 10 pixels means, but yeah. Okay. Yuck, yuck. Okay, but this follows the first format. So, let me open a notepad to make that easier for me, I think. Because there's a bunch of numbers there. Right, it's saying 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna, I have Paint open, right? No, I don't have Paint open. Let us make a canvas size of, what is it, 9? No, 4, 5. 5 by 5. I'm gonna zoom the fuck in. Give me a pencil. We're gonna color. Damn it, these tools are not in the right spot. Let me put the main display. Hopefully everything is visible. And the layers here, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so the middle one's gonna be red. And then we'll do this way. Okay, so 1 pixel to the right, 1 pixel up. 1 pixel to the left, 1 pixel up. 1 pixel to the right, 1 pixel down. 1 pixel left, 1 pixel down. Zero to up, 0 down, left, right. Two pixels up to the right, 2 pixels up. 2 pixels to the left, 2 pixels up. 2 pixels left. Wait, no. 2 pixels to the right, 2 pixels down. That's this one. 2 pixels to the left, 2 pixels down. Did I get that right? Yes. Okay. 0 up 2. 0 down 2. To the left 2. To the right 2. All right, now this gets annoying. So, oh my god, I can see why it's so damn long now and why I never want to change it. Really, I could change all these zeros to 1 variable, but, or potentially even I could change every single one to a different color. Right 1 up 2. Right, left 1 up 2. Right 1 down 2. Left 1 down 2. Right 2 up 1. Left 2 up 1. Right 2, right 2. Okay, yeah. So that's how. So it's a 2 pixel border. God, could you imagine if it's 3? Ugh. Good to know. There's no point for me to do that. Ugh. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I have this in a good place that I want. I don't really know if there's anything else for me to do tonight. I could test it. Um, I do want to play some. It's fucking 1:30. I still need to do the game I want. But I might as well try it. I think I don't know if Monster Hunter World plays on full screen for me. I might have to change it. It's not. Okay, I think it's windowed. Boom. We are going to stream this. Oh, I hope I have enough memory. I installed the high res pack. Because I didn't realize I didn't have that the last 2 weeks I've been playing. I can close this. Yeah, I can close so much shit now. I need that. Twitch. Yeah, I'm gonna close these. That's fine. Let me display the game. Game capture. Monster Hunter World. Come on. Oh, I need to show it. There we go. Boom. And now I can totally see the window. Let me grab my chat. Oh, I closed my damn thing. And I'm gonna type a test message. PC streaming, restream chat. Oh yeah, there. It appeared in the restream chat, but that's not my the chat that I'm seeing yet. Go to YouTube channel. Oh. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. I have a new thing I need to fix. Can I show that? Let me show that. Window capture, add existing Twitch chat overlay. Oops. So this is effectively what I'm seeing now. That's not the actual, mine is on, my window is on the right side, but you know, whatever. The only thing is that, I mean, that's probably okay. I can change the background color. That might be for the best. Doop, doop. So when it comes up, it should have a background me. Oh, I don't think I used. Oh, I lost one. Damn it. So I put the high res textures. I'm literally not seeing a difference, except in visuals, or not visuals. Sorry, FPS. It looks lowered. I probably could put it back down. Oh no, actually, you know what? I'm an idiot. Options. The reason I'm not seeing a difference yet is because it decreased, I think. Probably. Yeah, frame rate's down. I'm probably have to not do that at full. That's fine. I just wanted to test this chat. I'll probably have to hide that damn learn more message because I don't think it goes away over time. I thought it did, but everything else looks good. Yeah. Let me work on this. Let me see how much GPU I'm using right now. Performance. Ooh, it is pretty high. It is like very close to crashing. I think I'm gonna have to lower it and not use the full thing. I could have sworn I had more GPU, more than 8 gigs, but maybe not on this one. Okay, we're going back to this. I think fade, hide the Twitch. No, not Twitch chat. Firefox, because that is not the right Firefox window. Firefox. Here we go. Nope, that is not the right one still. What is going on here? There we go. There's some weird news. Okay. But the main thing was, did I copy it? Here we go. These have their own special border. Author is owner. Let's take a look. Div content. Live chat is highlighted. So the message doesn't have anything special. It's really just this is highlighted thing, which is not showing up well here. Let me see. There's got to be something. Okay. Author is owner. Let me try this. Author. Okay, that's what it is here. It's this. This is the. Can I just copy this? Yes, I can. Background color is. So I do want something special for this, but I don't know what. For now, let's go aqua. And we'll copy that in here. Save. Yuck. Which is perfect. Inspect. I wanted to hide this shit. Viewer engagement renderer. Yeah, that's. Display equals none, none, none. It disappears it in a weird way. but it is gone. I still can't figure out why it does that. And I can't add the CSS in here, I think, because this thing does it weird. Inline. Let me try this again. Inspect. Oh, that's why it wasn't working. Display none. Weird. So, oh, okay, I see what's happening. Kind of. So it's placing the, or it's displacing all the other ones. But when I turn display into none, it's moving these back down. Because it's like, oh, you haven't moved out of view yet, I guess. Something like that. So let me go back to, what did I do, man? Display none. This card. There is like empty space here. Item offset. That's what I'm trying to figure out. It seems like I can't do anything about that. No, with CSS. Because I can't, because of what I think I really want to do is delete the node, but there's no way to delete. I'm just saying, yep, don't display it. Is there, what is there? Flex flow, revert. Yeah, I don't know what revert is. Ruby unset. I think I just have to say none and then deal with it. Yeah, that's fine. Display none. Change the background color to something. Honestly, aqua's not that bad, I think, because I do want it to be like, hey, look at this. There's something like, I mean, in this case it's author, but is there another class that I'm not aware about? Like mods, verified, which I don't think there is. I just have to use some sort of, I have to use another tool to figure that out. But yeah, this is okay. Let me. For now, I am gonna keep it aqua, to make it that glaring, I suppose. Since I can always change it. Special welcome message. Okay. We're gonna save this. That works as intended. Yeah, that's gonna be it for me. A lot of coding. I mean, technically, I guess coding, but glad I did finally get this done because the first time I encountered this, I had trouble figuring this stuff out. This is a pain in the butt, but now that I have it, I'm all good. There is one thing I want to do, which was I don't remember where it was. Oh, here it is. It is the API for not Twitch, Google. I was trying to understand their broadcast API message stuff, but I couldn't ever get it up, or it wasn't working when you're not streaming anything. So, can close this now. Really? Yeah. Which I'm not going to show anything, but I have to stay streaming. So, if anyone is out there still watching, feel free to stop. I'm not going to show this because I think it has my API key and everything. Or no, I haven't. I don't think I've gotten it yet, but I do have to figure this out again. Live broadcast list, chat messages. Ugh. List by ID. Was that what I wanted? Broadcast response. Okay, let me copy this into code, but I don't want to show code. Because it's a fairly big JSON for some reason. Items, okay. Okay, minimize the snippets. Oh, okay. I did the wrong thing. I got the right ID somehow. Oh, I asked for my status or list my broadcast type. Broadcast status active. What? What am I missing here? List by ID. List my broadcast. Okay. List by broadcast status. I have invalid or missing required parameter values above if you execute. Let's try it. quota exceeded. Because you exceeded your quota. Really? No, that one worked. So quota is not the issue, I think. Live chat messages. Snippets. Let me see. Okay. Live chat ID. Is this the right one? Oh, that's weird. The first like 20 something characters are all the same. But the oh, I guess if it's yeah. I guess that kind of makes sense then. If it's in integer order, then it's like, oh, come on, what are you? Oh, you're kidding me. Quest cannot be completed because you have exceeded your getting started quota. Well, I never fucking did it right. How do I reset my quota? Oh, did it work now? Seems like it did. That's weird. Why did it work now? Whatever. Okay. So this is or now I'm looking at the live chat messages. Let's see what it gave me. List of items. Snippet is a type. Text message events. Wait, now I'm confused. One, two. Did I only input 2 messages? I guess I did. No, that's not right. Definitely inputted more. Next page token. Next page token. Let me make sure that's right before I send it, because it's gonna complain if it otherwise. I guess it is. The other messages went away, or the first message went away for sure, which I don't know why. Okay, but yeah. So I can see here the information, the message text. Doop-de-doop. Which I'm curious now about getting like super chats and stuff. Like what kind of, how does that show? Do they show, does this API tell you what the kind? Live chat message. So I don't know what e-tag is. I'm not so sure about ID. Display message. That's weird. So there's, in the snippet, there's a display message and a text message details, which is holds an object of message text that has the same exact thing. I'm guessing that's for super chats. If it's a long super chat, that would make sense. The cool thing though is it gives you the link to the channel URL. So this would be useful if you have a large group, but I think you can't see complete, or you can only, let me see, my understanding was you could only do active chats, which that feels like that can't be right. Wait, I don't think I have any messages in my other broadcast though, so I can't really test it. That's gonna be unfortunate. Let me, you know what? I think I have a way. Analytics, content. No. It says I have 6 views. That feels like way higher than correct. Dashboard. No, not video analytics. Content. Am I looking at the wrong thing? Analytics, yeah. Turning viewers. Oh, that's got to be me. No wonder. Unique viewers. That's interesting. Research, contents. None of these are. I want to see live chat comments if there's anything recent. Views, average duration. Viewer age, viewer gender. It's kind of terrifying that they have that information. YouTube product. Okay, but this is not what I want anyways. Comments is closer. No, it should be in analytics, but I just don't see it. There's no way to tell how many comments I've had. Oh no, let's do this. Lifetime. Views. That's still not it. Research. No. Also terrifying. There's definitely no. I'm surprised. I thought it would be there. But oh, maybe advanced mode. Watch time. No, still not it. Although interestingly enough, Mini Motorways is absolutely my by far most watched video, which maybe makes me think, oh, I should play that more. But I'm also like, I've played it a decent amount. I could probably live without playing it again. Although it is fun, it's still like, don't want to play that or something else. No, I didn't get any comments. Well, just gonna have to hopefully try it again one day. I don't like the way they do it in terms of I have to make this many requests to get all the messages, which, I mean, I guess if I've made a lot of requests, then that makes sense. But I'm also trying to figure out like what can I use it for, I guess. If I can view past comments and all of them, I can sort them out and then do a search on like maybe keywords found, um, or like most used words, things like that. I don't know. Oh well, that was fun. Thank you everyone for watching. I am logging off for the night. I hopefully can stream. Will stream tomorrow. Hopefully, because I do want to play Monster Hunter, and that was the plan. But we'll see. 2 weeks later. Thank you, everyone. Have a good night. I'm logging off. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.